Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on I-55 in Mississippi County, Arkansas. We're nearing the northern end of I-55 in Arkansas and we'll be entering Missouri soon. We immediately see exit 53, which leads to the town of Victoria to the west, a small town of just 32 residents. To the east is the city of Luxora, with an estimated population of 1,027 as of 2019. State Highway 148 crosses I-55 at exit 57, leading to the town of Burdett. Burdett has its origins as a company town established by Three States Lumber Company in the early 1900s. Three States completed a large sawmill in Burdett in 1906, and the Blytheville-Burdett and Mississippi River Railroad connected the mill via rail to Wolverton Landing along the Mississippi River that same year. A large agricultural operation, the Burdett Plantation, developed alongside the lumber operations. Beginning in the 1920s, these farms were utilized by the University of Arkansas for agricultural research focused on the improvement of cotton and corn yields. Several new cotton varieties, such as the Burdett Express and the Burdett Lone Star, were developed in the area. Burdett had an estimated population of 167 as of 2019. We enter the city of Blytheville, one of the two county seats of Mississippi County, and founded by Methodist clergyman Henry T. Bly in 1879. Forestry was an early industry, spurred by the massive harvesting of lumber needed to rebuild Chicago following the Great Fire of 1871. The lumber industry brought sawmills and a rowdy crowd, and the area was known for its disreputable saloon culture during the 1880s and 1890s. The cleared forests enabled cotton farming to take hold, encouraged by ongoing levee building and waterway management. The population grew significantly after 1900. On Blytheville's western edge lies one of the largest cotton gins in North America. Soybeans and rice have also become important crops. In the 1980s, Blytheville began to develop an industrial base, much of which centered on the steel industry. Until 1991, the city was home to Blytheville Eaker Air Force Base, a major airfield that was part of the Strategic Air Command. Blytheville had a population of 13,406 as of the 2020 census. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Pemiscot County in the southeastern part of the Missouri Boot Heel. The county had a population of 15,661 as of the 2020 census. In Missouri, the speed limit drops to 70 miles per hour. At exit 1, we see a junction with U.S. Highway 61 and State Highway O. Lettered state highways in Missouri are supplemental routes with single letters used to designate major supplemental routes and double letters used for minor routes. Exit 1 provides access to the city of Holland just to the north on US 61. Holland had an estimated population of 197 as of 2019. Exit 4 leads to Holland once again, just to the west, in the city of Coudre via State Highway E to the east. The city was named for Frenchman Portel Coutre of New Madrid, Missouri. Coudre had an estimated population of 404 in 2019. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 5. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.